going to be talking about approximation. So what is approximation? Approximation is simply measuring a distance to an accurate number. Let's take, for instance, I've got a wire. I measure the wire as 3.6, whereas the true distance of the wire is 3 meters. So meaning I've moved 6 centimeters from the 3 meters. So I'm just estimating what the real value could be. So I'm just approximating. So under approximation, I'm going to talk about the first question, which reads as follows. Misozi and Filamba estimated the length of a line to be 9 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. If the true value of the line was 9.6, find A, Misozi's absolute error. So we are going to start with Misozi's absolute error. So now we've got the true value of the line as 9.6 and Misozi measured the line as 9. So for us to find Misozi's absolute error, you say true value minus recorded value. So the true value of this line was 9.6, but Misozi measured this line as what? 9. So when you subtract the 2, you get 0.6. So 0.6 centimeter was Misozi's absolute error. Let's move to question B. So question B reads, find Filamba's percentage error. So percentage error is equal to relative error times 100. So for you to find the relative error, you say relative error is equal to absolute error over true value multiplied by 100. So now the question asked us to say we should find Filamba's percentage error. So Filamba measured this length as 10, but the real length was 9. So you first find the absolute error of Filamba by saying true value minus recorded value. So the true value of this line was 9.6 minus the recorded for Filamba was 10. So meaning it is 0.4, the absolute error of Filamba. So you put it as 0.4. Then the true value of this line was what? 9 multiplied by 100. So here it's the same as 4 over 10 divided by 9 times 100. So over 1. So it will be 4 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 9, which will give you 4 over 90 times 100, which will give you 400 over 90. So when you divide the 2, you first cancel the zeros and say 40 over 9. So 40 over 9 will give you 4.4. So since we are finding the percentage error, you even put percent. So you found Filamba's percentage error.